dripping outside. It was fine this morning up until even about 2 o'clock this afternoon. That's when the drizzle started moving in here, and it's just been that drizzle throughout the day. 41 for the second day in a row. It's been a warm start to the year with those 40s 2 days in a row. Took the Christmas lights down yesterday because I know it's coming. You know, I didn't want to take them down just yet, but when the Arctic air is starting to move back in, you got to take advantage when Mother Nature gives you the chance. Drizzle and rain tonight. We have fog as well, and then that wind starts to move back in here. So be cautious on those lakes. The warmer temperatures have made the ice very thin and slushy, and now this wind is going to start breaking some of that up as well. And then that Arctic chill starts to move in by this time tomorrow night, and it will be with us for the rest of the week. This is what it looks like in West Bend this evening. It is pretty much damp and a little bit of fog outside with the drizzle. Temperature is 34 degrees. It is just barely above that freezing mark. 100% humidity, so we have that fog around. Half-mile visibility in Milwaukee, 3/4 of a mile in Burlington, half-mile in Beaver Dam as well. So nothing too bad, except for up by Madison, about a 1/4 mile in Monroe at 0. Keep this in mind for the morning, though, because this is not going anywhere. There will be some fog to deal with for the morning commute. A lot of folks heading back to work and school tomorrow for the first time in over a week. And if you're traveling up north, there's a winter weather advisory for central and northern Wisconsin. They could see 1 to 3 inches of snow, mixing in with a little bit of sleet and even some rain. But for us, it'll be just rain. As temperatures are above that freezing mark, it'll be here well after midnight. We're going to keep the drizzle around throughout the overnight hours, even into the early morning, but some light rain moves in here around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. And then it will stay drizzly up until around 8 or 9 o'clock. I'm not sure if that's a word, drizzly, but we just made it up. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s around the area. Winds are relatively light, but look, we're in the warm sector right now. Here comes the cold. Not as harsh as it was a couple of weeks ago, but yes, we will get back to what typical January weather feels like in single digits and wind chills below 0. Wind is light right now. That will be changing tomorrow afternoon as temperatures will hold steady in the upper 30s and then start to drop in the afternoon. What you don't see on this map, a 20 to 30 mile per hour wind developing in the afternoon as this cold front pushes through right around the noon hour. No precipitation with it tomorrow afternoon, and then it just gets quiet for the rest of the week, meaning no precipitation, but windy and cold around here. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures slowly dropping into the lower 30s after a high temperature in the upper 30s. So here's the 7-day forecast. 38 for tomorrow, down to 10 tomorrow night, 17 for high on Friday, 12 on Thursday. Oh, you thought it was cold today. Come on. That's 16 on Friday, and then the weekend, upper teens to lower 20s. Wind chills will be below 0 each and every morning, so maybe even some days in the afternoon. And we'll have the weather kid. Darn it, I don't have the weather kid up right now. We'll get him here later.
Okay.
But he'll need a jacket tomorrow afternoon.
I like 22 degrees at Lambeau Field for Sunday. That looks good.
It's going to be toasty.
Yeah, nice. Thanks, Brian.